This session is in continuity to our previous discussions on charting in Excel, and in this session we learn about how to save the formatting changes that you have done to your chart to a template. Now the concept of a chart template in Excel is pretty much similar to the concept of a template in Word or PowerPoint. It indicates that you have made a set form of changes to your say slide, or in this case an Excel chart, and you simply want to replicate the whole thing onto something else because of multiple reasons. Now as we are clear with what exactly a template is, let's see what the real use of a template is. Say I have this sample chart presented over here. I've created out of the usual data, and I have painted its background in gray color and changed the representation of my product A and product B to black and red respectively. Now I want to create up 100 new charts in the future with the same kind of formatting. Now the fixed set of ideology would say that whenever I create up a new chart, I go ahead formatting the background and then painting my two products as red and black in color. But that would be a whole lot of laborious process and something which is totally avoidable. Now to avoid this kind of a scenario, all you need to do is click on the chart, go onto the design tab over here and click on save as template. Now there comes up dialog box which seriously needs more discussion around. Now, firstly, the whole template file would be stored in the form of a CRTX file. And don't be alarmed what a CRTX file is. Whenever you say your presentation is of the form of a PPT file, or your document is of the form of a docx file, then you are referring to a file in MS Word or in MS PowerPoint. So in the same way, Windows makes you refer to template files in the form of CRTX files. So all your template files will be of the form of CRTX. Now what you do have a control on this is you can change the name of your file name in this. I change it to sales. So this reminds me that this was the chart of the sales order, and whenever I need to create up a sales charts again, I simply need to put on the template on this. And the next thing to be noted is do not change this default path that would come over here. In my computer, its default path is C users Lenovo, and this may be different path in you for Windows users. The rest of the portion is created by Windows by default, and you should leave it as it is. So clicking on the save button over here, my template would be saved at the back end in my Windows computer. And the next part of this session involves how to use this template. Now we are done with the good part. We have saved up our templates for future. We have a great foresight in the future. Now how to use this template whenever we create up a new chart. So let's just first create a new chart. I create up a new chart out of this, and you can see it looks pretty much different. Now if I want this chart to look exactly like this chart, I need to first paint in the background as gray and then change the blue color to black color, and possibly even change the shading of red. Now this is a laborious process. Now comes the templates to our rescue. To use up a template, you need to first click on the chart, go onto the design tab over here, then click on change chart type, and then you need to go on to the templates option over here, which comes at the top, and there you will have a template. You can see it's a sales template that we saved before. Click on it, okay, and there you go. The whole chart has been made to look exactly like your previous chart. This is the power of templates, and it is really efficient in using it. So this is all about templates in Excel. Thank you for watching.